In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening balance in Zoho Books. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Zoho website. Zoho offers a cloud software suite for businesses which makes financial management seamless and efficient. Once you're there, look for the sign in option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page, providing you a gateway into all your Zoho applications with a single account, so go ahead and click on sign in. After signing in, you will be directed to the Zoho homepage. From here, you'll want to locate the settings option within Zoho Books. Settings in Zoho Books is essential as it houses various configurations and setup options for your accounts, ensuring everything is tailored to your specific needs. Click on settings and keep an eye out for the opening balances section. Opening balances is where you enter the initial balance of your accounts, reflecting the financial status of your business when you first start using Zoho Books. It's important because it ensures continuity in your books by reflecting any financial activities that occurred before you started using Zoho. Go ahead and click on the opening balances option. At this stage, you'll be prompted to set your opening balance date. This date is important because it marks the point from which your new accounting records will begin. Typically, this would be the date when you began business operations or switched from a different accounting system. Take a moment to ensure the date aligns with your financial records. Once the date is set, Zoho Books allows you to start entering your account balances. You can align your books with reality by inputting the balances for your bank accounts, credit cards, and any other financial accounts you might have. This ensures your starting numbers match with what's actually there in reality. While entering these balances, be sure to double check for accuracy. Errors in setting up opening balances can lead to discrepancies in your accounting records later on. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added your opening balance to Zoho Books. Remember, precision and accuracy at this initial stage will pay off significantly as you proceed with Zoho Books for your accounting needs. Should you have any further questions or need extensive customizations, the Zoho support team is really responsive. Keep exploring the settings to see what more you can tailor to fit your business operations smoothly. Thanks for watching, and see you